Nairobi, National Land Commission Chairman Mohammed Swazuri and Kenya Railways Managing Director Atanas Maina are among 8 individuals facing charges of alleged fraudulent acquisition and compensation of land belonging to the Kenya Railways at a railways yard in Embakasi. The suspects in the 4 billion shillings SGR land payout were arrested by the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission sleuths following a directive by the Director of Public Prosecutions, who agreed with charges being leveled against them. Swazuri and co-accused spent 2 nights in police cells following their arrests on Saturday morning. Let's bring in Rita Tinina, who has been covering this for us. Rita, good afternoon. Where is this process at as we speak?
A very good afternoon to you, Ben. Right now, the court adjourned about 50 minutes ago. It will resume at 3 p.m. when the judge, Lawrence Mugambi, is expected to make a ruling on the bail application. The proceedings started some minutes before 11 a.m. And basically what the defense was arguing is that those who are accused, 17 in total, 14 individuals and 3 companies involved in the payment for the SGR project. All of them were in court on Saturday. As you mentioned, there 8 were arrested. Some of them remained at large. Part of the 17 remained at large until yesterday. But as of this morning, all 14 of them were in court. This mainly officials from the Ministry of Lands, the National Land Commission, as well as the Kenya Railways Corporation. 14 of them, those individuals, and 3 individuals representing the 3 companies. And their lawyers, lead counsel representing the accused, Tom Ojienda, arguing that they were just in the course of their duty of their employment, and he termed this as a conspiratorial offense. And in the application for bail, he asked the magistrate to ensure that the bail is not prohibitive, it is not limiting, arguing that they had already been in custody for more than the stipulated 24 hours, that they had been in custody for over 50 hours, having been arrested on Saturday morning. But the prosecution opposed the bail application, citing, for instance, the case of the National Land Commission chairperson Mohammed Swazuri, saying that he had even been making public announcements showing some sort of arrogance and lack of adherence to the law and no adherence to what is stipulated by public institutions. And so he says he should not be given a bail, and so should the others. They all should be denied bail. The prosecution arguing that this is what they termed a crime against humanity, saying the issue of land is a very emotive issue in the country, and people are looking up to the public institutions to protect public land. So we'll be waiting at 3 p.m. to hear what the judge will say. But basically, the 17 of them facing 19 charges in total. All of them jointly were charged with 1 count, conspiracy to offense of corruption. Mohammed Swazuri, the National Land Commission chairperson, facing 5 counts by himself, and 3 of them are abuse of office. 1 of them facilitating the 221 million shillings for a piece of land, and the other one, he was charged with using his office to confer a benefit of 43 million shillings. The case, the spotlight here has been Mohammed Swazuri, as well as the Kenya Railways Corporation Managing Director Atanas Maina. Atanas Maina is only facing 2 counts, 1 of which are all jointly charged, the 17 of them, and 1 count by himself. And this is the charge of abuse of public trust, that he failed to protect public finances amounting to 221 million shillings. So, Ben, this afternoon we'll be waiting to hear whether they will be granted bail. All the 14 individuals and 3 are representing companies, so 17 in total, 14 working the Ministry of Lands, the Kenya Railways Corporation, as well as the National Land Commission, and 3, as I said, representing the companies. Also, one of the individuals facing 5 charges is Salome Munubi. He is the Director of Evaluation at the National Land Commission. She is also facing abuse of office charges. Ben.
Thank you, Rita. Rita Tinina, live for us here at the Milimani Law Courts. We shall be coming back to you when court